Hi and welcome back. This is White Armor Consulting, and today I'm going to show you a quick video of how to download and install ESET Smart Security. This video is for beginners, so if you are more advanced, don't worry, I'll release another video with the advanced setup and all the different components. For now, let's begin. Open up your favorite browser and type in ESET Smart Security. You're going to look for www.eset.com. When you see this page, you're going to go Home, PC, compare all Windows products. From here, you'll have three different flavors: Antivirus, Internet Security, and Smart Security Premium. We're going to work with Smart Security Premium, but if you want the different features of all three, this chart will show that. Even further down, you'll also see the pricing per year, and that is per device. When you know which one you want to use, click it. If you want to figure out how much it's going to cost you, you can use the little chart here to show you how many devices and per year, also the discount. Scroll down. Now for this video, I'm going to show you the 30-day free trial, just so that we can go through the download and installation. Even if you're doing the full version, you would still use this link. Download for Windows, and then you're going to get the installer. Save it in a location that you'll remember. And when it's done installing, go to that location and double click the installer. Click yes to the user account pop-up, and then you can close your browser. From here, you're going to select your language. Click continue, accept the user agreement. It'll download the application to your PC. Now remember, this application can be used on Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android. When you get to this window, if you purchased it, you're going to basically use a purchase license key. If you want to purchase it, you can also click here. For now, we're going to do the free trial. If you want to test it out, this is the best option for you. All it requires is your email address. So we will use our email. Make sure the country is set to the appropriate country. And you don't need to subscribe to the newsletter unless you want to get their newsletter. And then click activate. Then continue. Now here, for this second portion, you're going to detect of potentially unwanted applications, turn it to enable. And for this is personal preference. If you want to send statistics and information about suspicious objects, turn it on. If you don't want to send anything to ESET, have it disabled. Once the installation is complete, the program is installed. You click done, and then ESET will load. At the bottom right hand side, you'll notice a new ESET icon. When you double click that, the activation will be successful. Now in your email, it's going to send an activation code, and you're going to need that activation code if it prompts to use the trial version. If it doesn't, it'll activate automatically, just like you see here, and then you can enable the different components. And that's it for downloading and installing. If you have any questions about this video, please let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and subscribe for future videos. Thanks and take care.